Tomato sauce is way too easy to make to be buying that jar stuff. It's also about the same price, same time, and way more versatile. I mean, it only takes a few ingredients. And you don't have to have crazy knife skills to get it done. When you're cooking this, you don't want too much heat. Enough heat to melt the butter, but not enough heat to change the taste of your olive oil. Then I like to use thinly sliced garlic, but you don't have to. It's a preference thing. But slicing it thin helps it melt away in that butter and oil. Dried chilies add some heat, which I really like. Then you're gonna add in your tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are good when they're in season. If not, use cans. Buy good canned tomatoes though. Because there's few ingredients, it really helps. The next step is you just cut an onion in half. This makes it easier to take out later. You're basically just gonna steal all the flavor out of the onion and then take it out. The same goes with some basil. Next, you're just gonna let that simmer for like 20 minutes and season it to taste. So while that's cooking, you can start your pasta, clean up, relax. I mean, this dish is really easy to make. After about 20 minutes, you're pretty much done. Just taste it and make sure it's where you like it. If you need to, add some more salt, and then remove the onions and the basil. There's not much flavor left in them, so just toss them. To finish, I like to add the tomato sauce to a pan, then add the pasta to that. You're gonna wanna finish cooking your pasta in the tomato sauce with a little bit of pasta water. The pasta water contains starches that helps it thicken and stick to the noodles better. After it's plated up, just add some Parmesan cheese and then enjoy. All in all, it took like 20 minutes and it's really satisfying. And it's way better because you've cooked for your palate and not for profit.